Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these rainbow smoke nails with 3D acrylic roses. Alright, so for this look, I have my polygel nails that I did. I will leave a link down below to how I did these. And I'm using this Love Jazzery black gel polish. And I'm just going to paint on one coat of gel polish onto each nail. And I really like this Love Jazzery polish because it is very pigmented. I can do one nice coat of it and it is decent coverage. So after applying the gel polish, I just make sure to use a gel brush to clean around the cuticle areas and any area that I messed up. Alright, so this is after the one coat has cured and I'm just taking a alcohol wipe and wiping off the tacky layer. And this is a crucial step in order for the look to come to life. Alright, so I'm using these soft chalk pastels and I got these from my local art store. And I'm going to be using these to make my own pigment powder. And I'm just picking out these bright neon colors. So I'm just taking a razor blade and lightly scraping off some powder. So these are the shavings. Alright, so next I'm going in with this Nails Urban Graffiti white gel polish, and this is color Snow White. So I'm just taking my Alpha detail brush and I am just painting on some white, kind of in a swirly, smoky fashion. And then this time I'm dipping my brush into acetone and then I'm lightly blotting it onto the white polish. So for my last smoke nail design, I used alcohol and that turned out okay, but I like the way that the acetone disperses the gel polish better. I think it gives it a more genuine smoke effect. So I just repeat this process for all of the nails except for my index fingernail. And I also cure each nail after I have put the acetone on it and, did my smoke design. I just go ahead and flash cure that just to make sure it stays in place. Alright, so after curing, I'm just going to take my Alpha fan brush and dust on the pigment powder. And what's happening here is that the powder is going to stick to the tacky layer of the white gel polish. And once I get all the colors on, I'm just going to use a large fluffier fan brush to brush off all the excess powder. So these soft pastels really come in handy. Before I was able to, buy different color acrylic and all of that, I used to use these to make different color acrylic powders. And it's very affordable. The pack that I have is a 48 pack of pastels and I believe it was only like $8. And as you can see that you don't use that much powder, so it lasts forever. Alright, so after that, I'm going to use my Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm just going to seal in all of my smoke nails. And when I apply the gel top coat, I just try to float it over the powder because I don't want to get any of this pigment powder into my gel polish. So also wipe off your brush after you apply the gel top coat, just in case there's any pigment powders on the bristles. So then I go ahead and cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with my 3D rose, and I'm using these colored acrylic powders. Some of them are from GearBest and some are from Born Pretty Store. So I'm just taking this hot pink and this orange color. I just picked up a bead of the hot pink and then I dipped it into the orange just to kind of give it a nice, ombre gradient effect. And I'm just going to use that to create the first petal of my 3D rose. And the brush I'm using is a number 2 3D brush. I believe I got this from Banggood, but theirs is discontinued. So I will leave a link down to the number 2 alpha brush, which is pretty close to this as well. Alright, so then I did a yellow rose as well, and now I'm working on the petals, and I'm just taking a bead of the green acrylic and I'm just creating a leaf. Alright, so I didn't end up liking the yellow rose, so I took that off and I did a orange one instead, and I also added more of the green leaves. So I decided I wanted to add some more bling to these nails, so I applied some more of the gel top coat, and I'm using these iridescent crystals, and these are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. Okay, so after curing that, I'm applying my cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. I am so in love with the rainbow smoke nails. I think the effect is so cool. It looks so complex, but it is super easy to do. Yeah, I cannot wait to try this with different colors and just play around with this design more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.